In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Sketchpad, an easy-to-use online tool for drawing and creating designs. Whether you're a beginner or just want an intuitive platform to quickly visualize your ideas, Sketchpad is a fantastic choice. So let's walk through the basics together, starting with opening the app. First, let's open Sketchpad by heading over to sketchpad.app.en in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with a large, checkerboard patterned canvas. This checkerboard design might look a bit peculiar at first, but it's simply indicating that your background is transparent. This is especially useful if you're planning to save your work as a PNG file without any background later on. Now, over on the left side of your screen, you'll notice a series of tools stacked vertically down a toolbar. This is your main toolkit, and it's packed with options to shape your creation. Starting from the top, we have the arrow, which is your select tool, allowing you to move or resize objects with ease. Next is the crop tool, which is perfect for cutting out specific parts of your image. Moving further down, you'll find the brush and pencil tools for freehand drawing, and a variety of shapes, stars, and emojis to add to your canvas. The text tool, marked by a T, is right there for adding and editing text. Ready to add some color? The fill bucket will help you change your color fill easily. If you need to add new layers or items, simply click the plus icon. Towards the bottom, you'll see folder and floppy disk icons. These allow you to open files or save and export your creations. Finally, don't forget the gear icon. It's your go-to for settings like resizing your canvas. At the center is where the magic happens. This is your canvas, the space where you can draw, add shapes, or edit your image. Just click and drag to move objects, or click and drag the corners of any item if you wish to resize it. This area, with its transparent background pattern, is all yours to explore. Next, take a look at the right sidebar. This section is all about enhancing and adjusting your workspace. Via the Zoom tool, you can get a closer look at the details or zoom out for a broader perspective. Made a mistake? No worries. The undo and redo arrows let you backtrack or reapply changes. One of the best features here is the Layers panel, identified as a stacked square icon. This helps you manage multiple items separately, much like a simplified version of what you might find in Photoshop. Moving to the bottom of your screen, you might encounter pop-ups, such as upgrade ads. These will sometimes appear here, but you can easily close them by clicking the small X. This ensures they won't obstruct your view while you work. Finally, when you're ready to save your masterpiece, head over to the floppy disk icon in the left toolbar. Here, you have several file format options to choose from: PNG, which retains transparency, JPG, PDF, or even SVG. After selecting your preferred format, just click Download, and you're all set. Now, go ahead and express your creativity with Sketchpad.